and welcome to Swan Lake Lifestyle. My name is Olivia and I'm a lifelong ballerina and classical musician, here to teach you how to dance ballet for free with no experience needed. Let's go ahead and get our dancing gear on and get started. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are a new person coming here for the very first time, I'm so glad that you're here. Just a quick note that this video is part of a full course and each video builds upon concepts learned in the previous one. So I recommend that you check out my playlist above so that you can go ahead and get caught up and not feel lost on anything here. If you are a returning student, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. And can you believe it? We are in our third complete beginner bar class. I'm going to split this bar class actually up into two different videos because we've just learned so many concepts that we've actually learned all the concepts you need for a basic traditional bar class and the progression of movements that you move through. You usually start with pliés and go to tendus, rond de jambes, then go to fondus, and kind of finish that whole sequence in which we have learned all of the motions. And I'm so proud of you for sticking through it this far, and this is a very pivotal, really great landmark in your ballet class journey. So I just want to congratulate you. That's really, really awesome, and I'm so proud of you. So for today's lesson, we will go ahead and start with a classic plié and grand plié combination. No matter what level that you're, practicing at in ballet, in any class that you show up to, we always start with pliés, and typically it is this combination or a very similar combination with these movements. So let's go ahead and get started. So we will go ahead and start in our first position. We'll do our preparation. We'll do a plié in first, so a demi-plié in first with this arm here. We'll do a grand plié. Go to the second, we'll do a demi-plié, demi-plié, grand plié. Tendu to the third, we'll do demi-plié, demi-plié, do a grand plié. Tendu to the fourth, we'll do a demi-plié, demi-plié, grand plié. Tendu to the fifth, demi-plié, demi-plié, grand plié. We'll go ahead and rise up sous-sus. And I'm very excited because we can start using detourné now. So once you rise up in your sous-sus, we're going to balance. Put your hand back on the bar. Look off to the side. Do your detourné, close, tendu to the first, okay? And then we'll go to the left. So we'll do our plié, plié, grand plié. Second position. Plié, plié, grand plié. Third position. Plié, plié, grand plié. Fourth position. Plié, plié, grand plié. Fifth position. Plié, plié, grand plié. Go up to our sous-sus. Balance. Put your hand back on the bar. Open to the second. Detourné. Close. Tendu. First. Look over your shoulder and we will be done. Let's go ahead and get started on the first combination of this bar class. So for our next combination, I decided to combine both tendus and battement dégagés. So let's go ahead and get started on marking that. So we will do preparation, open side. We'll do tendu, close third, tendu, close third, tendu, plié, dégagé, close third, tendu, close front, tendu, close back, tendu, plié, dégagé, close back, tendu, close back, tendu, close back, tendu, plié, dégagé, close back, tendu, close back, tendu, close back, tendu, plié, dégagé, close front. Then we're going to do a sous-sus in fifth position. Balance, put your hand down, detourné, plié. So we already have our foot at the front on the other side, so we can just go right into the combination. We'll do tendu, tendu, 3 plié, dégagé, and close. We must end the opposite way that we want to go. So we'll do that first. Tendu to the side, close front. Second, close back. Third, close front, plié. Dégagé out, close back. And then we're set up for success for the back. So do 1, 2, 3, plié, dégagé, close. Now again, we're going out column. We want to make sure that we close to the back because we want to end up in the front, and this is a four motions, so we need to do the opposite. So we'll do tendu, close back, tendu, close front, tendu, plié, close front, sous-sus, and then put the arm down, look, detourné, and then we will end the combination. How exciting. Okay, let's go ahead and get going. Amazing job, everyone. I'm so proud of you. So now we'll go ahead and transition into our rond de jambe parterre and rond de jambe en l'air combination. So what we will be doing today for this combination is that we will be going to do our preparations. We're going to start in our first position. Preparation, tendu to the front, open side. Remember, that's how we do a preparation for rond de jambe parterre, okay? Now we will start with the en dehors, so away from the standing leg. We'll go 1, 2, 3, close first. Then from there, we're going to do our rond de jambe en l'air, en dehors. Remember, that's going to scoop the leg away from the standing leg. Okay, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, double close. From there, we will go ahead and brush our foot forward, tilting our head back a little bit. Brush back, and that motion is actually called a cloche. When you do this, so a quick little fun tidbit, that's called a cloche. It's kind of like a good way to transition between different positions. When you do that, you have your head tilted back and then tilt your head front, like this. So a quick aside, look, you ended up learning something in this Barre class. But anyway, so we'll start with our foot to the front for going on dedans, cloche back. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, close front. Now we will do our en dedans, remember scooping towards the standing leg. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, double close first. Then we'll go ahead and do a sous-sus. So we'll take our feet from the first, we'll sous-sus up until a fifth position, and we will go ahead and we'll just sous-sus with our arm out to the side. We won't practice on bouncing here, but we will do a detourné close. From here, you can take your foot that's in the fifth position and do your preparation to the side that way, okay? So once we're here, we'll do a preparation to the side. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and close. En dehors, 1, 2, 3, double close. 1, cloche back. En dedans, 1, 2, 3, and close. On dedans, 1, 2, 3, double close. Sous to a fifth. Oh, just kidding. Sous to a fifth, we'll have our arm out to the side. Detourné, close, and finish. Okay? I marked it a little bit quickly, but this will be more of a slower combination. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, great job, everyone. So now we will go ahead and transition to our fondue combination with a little bit of jumps thrown in. So what we will do for the fondue combination is we will do, we'll start in the third position. We'll do our preparation, open arm to the second. We'll do fondue en crosse. So we'll go to the front, to the side. Now remember, we're going to the side. You want to start with your sur le coup de pied in the conditional form to the front. Open akin, then we'll start to the back. And then when you're doing our akin, the next one for the en crawl, you want the sur le coup de pied to be in the back, open side, okay? And then from there, we're going to close in front. So the right leg closing in front. We will do a changement, and then one more changement. Sous, detourné, close, open, fondue 1, fondue 2, fondue 3, fondue 4, close front, changement, changement, sous, detourné, close. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, fantastic job, everyone. I'm so proud of you. So that concludes our part 1 of this full-length barre class. You can go ahead and head on to part 2 because I will be releasing both of these videos at the same time so that you don't have to have any break in your ballet dancing journey. But in the meantime, if you'd like to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you can stay in the loop for all of my videos. And also let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see on this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.